These Stickman animation videos are getting millions of views, yet most people think they're impossible to create without animation skills. The truth is, they're not. After testing dozens of AI workflows, I finally created one simple prompt that does almost everything for you. No drawing, no animation experience, no paid software, just free AI tools. Whether you want to create motivational videos, finance explainers, educational content, storytelling videos, or comedy, this single prompt can generate your entire Stickman animation workflow in just a few minutes. And before I show you exactly how it works, take a look at this short animation I created using the same workflow you're about to learn.
Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. If you wake up feeling rushed and distracted, it's much harder to stay focused later. But a few simple habits can change everything. Instead of grabbing your phone right away, take a deep breath, stretch your body, and drink a glass of water. These small actions help wake up both your mind and body. Next, spend just a minute planning your top 3 priorities. Knowing exactly what matters most keeps you from wasting time on less important tasks. You don't need a perfect morning routine. Just stay consistent with a few healthy habits, and you'll feel more focused, productive, and in control every day.
Pretty impressive, right? The best part is that you can start creating videos like this today without spending a single dollar. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next free AI workflow I share. Step 1. Generate the script and visual prompts. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and head over to the prompt doc. You can find the Google Docs file linked in the video description. To make this process even easier for you, I've already created a master template prompt that does all the heavy lifting. This prompt has been carefully designed and optimized to generate prompts that work especially well for this Stickman-style video format. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can simply use this master template to create high-quality, well-structured prompts that consistently produce great results. Now, copy the entire master prompt, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box, and hit enter. ChatGPT will then ask you what niche you want to create your video about. This is where you type in your video niche. For example, since I'm making this video about productivity, I'll type productivity and hit enter. Now you'll see it gives you 10 different topics. What you want to do is go through them and pick one that you like. If none of them feel right, just ask ChatGPT to generate more. It'll keep giving you new ones. Or, if you already have a topic in mind, you can go with that too. I'm going to go with number 6, so I'll simply type it and hit enter. Next, ChatGPT is going to ask you how long you want your video to be. You can pick whatever length works for you. Since I'm creating a YouTube short, I'll type 30 seconds and hit enter. And there you go. Your script, image prompts, and animation prompts are all ready. Now that we have everything we need to generate the video, before we jump to the next step, I have something to tell you. If you're serious about growing on YouTube with AI, I have something that can save you hours of trial and error. I've launched a Patreon community where you'll get exclusive resources that I don't share on YouTube. As a member, you can request custom AI master prompts built specifically for your niche and content style, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. You'll also get early access to the newest free AI tools, in-depth YouTube channel reviews, and proven strategies to help your videos reach more people. If you want to create better content, work faster, and stay ahead of other creators, click the link in the description and join my Patreon community. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. Step 2. Choose a Stickman character. Go to Google and search for Stickman figure. Download a Stickman character that matches the style you want. Using the same character throughout the entire video helps keep your animation consistent. Step 3. Generate visuals. Next, open Flow AI and upload the Stickman character you just downloaded. After it uploads, turn on the Flow AI agent. Then click the 3 dots on the image and select Add to Prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy all of the image generation prompts, and paste them into the Flow AI prompt box. Then configure the settings as shown on this screen and click Generate. I'll open the agent panel so you can see what's happening. After it reads the prompt, you'll see the project appear on the dashboard with the status generating. This usually takes just a few moments. And look, our image generation process is complete. All these Stickman images are in the same style as scene 1. That consistency is a small detail, but it makes a real difference to the viewer's eye. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy all of the animation prompts, paste them into the agent chat box, and hit generate. Again, the Flow AI agent reads every prompt. Flow AI will ask you to approve before it starts generating the video. Approve it. Then you'll see the videos appear on the dashboard with the status generating. This usually takes just a few moments. Here are the animations, simple and clean. No noise, no weird artifacts, just a smooth Stickman scene. Now download the animations one by one. Step 4. Generate voiceover. The first thing you need to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy the entire voiceover script. Then head over to ElevenLabs and paste the voiceover part into the text box. Now we need to remove unnecessary parts of the voiceover, like this. Now we have a clean voiceover script. Now, select the voice that matches your video and hit generate. This takes just a few seconds. Here is the voiceover. Now click the download button and download it onto your device. Step 5. Editing. First, open your video editing software. I use CapCut, so I'll open that. Then I drop the voiceover in first. Then I upload all the scenes. Now I pull up the visual plan we generated earlier and use it as my map. It tells me exactly which scene goes where. For example, the voiceover for scene 1 matches the first animation video, and the voiceover for scene 2 matches the second animation video. Now I start syncing the scenes to the voiceover, simply following the plan. Honestly, this part is very easy because all the thinking is already done. Since the scenes run a bit longer than the voiceover, I either trim them or speed them up slightly to fit. For transitions, I use black fade transitions. Then I add a fade in and fade out animation for the first and last clips. You can also add background music, sound effects, zoom effects, subtitles, and motion graphics. Once everything is synced properly, export your final video. Your viral Stickman animation video is now ready to upload. That's it, that's the full pipeline. If anything in this process was unclear, drop your question in the comments. I go through every single one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next one.